100 times a day.
I still think of you too, if only you knew. When I'm feeling a bit down and I wanna pull through, I look over your photograph and I think how much I miss you. I miss you. I just need to know that you're safe, given that I'm miles away. On the first flight back to your side, I don't care how long it takes, I know you'll be worth the wait. On the first flight back to your side.
Okay, suddenly turned to commercial.
It's a video.
Oh no. Stumbled. Oh no. My framing is all off.
My location unknown, trying to find a way back home to you again. I gotta get back to you, gotta get back to you.
Traveling places, I ain't seen you in ages, but I hope you'll come back to me. On my journey.
We're off to Big Sur. On our way. We rented a camper van and it's pretty fully loaded, and we got a really good deal because it came with like usually additionals you have to pay for the stove, the bedding kit, camping chairs, dishes and stuff, but I think if you rent on a weekend you get all of that included into your reservation. We have our snacks for the road, brownies for me, and then wasabi peas for Andrew. And then we're spending 2 days in Big Sur.
2 nights too.
2 nights, so excited. We've never done a camper van before.
We're camping.
Or camping together.
Outside of Coachella.
So we're excited to go on some hikes and just kind of relax. So I'm recording everything on my new iPhone because I kind of want to test it out and see if I can replace it.
iPhone11Pro.
So I can replace it as like my vlogging camera, just because it's kind of a hassle to bring so many different cameras. Like I have my DSLR, actually I broke it, and so that's why I picked up the iPhone, because I'm headed to Korea after this, and I just wanted to see if this would be a good replacement in the meantime for like all things like travel vlogs and my travel diaries. And so this is kind of a test run and we'll see how it works out. I mean, I'm optimistic that it's gonna be really good, so look at what we're using to hold up the phone. Because it doesn't hold up by itself because the vents are so like sparse, or they're not strong enough. It's innovative, but it's also kind of ratchet. Tonight we are having Shin ramen with an egg. There's an egg inside. Miso batter. Yeah, that's what we did. But I bought this pack from H Mart, and because like this like roasted grain is actually me and Andrew's favorite to eat, like on top of other desserts, so I wanted to try the latte. Pretty good, but I think we should use milk next time instead of water, which is what we did. Yeah. Yeah, so pretty legit camper van. The stove comes out here, we can wash our dishes here. This is the refrigerator. And yeah, everything packs up really nicely. First night festival. What the inside of the van looks like. Here's the bed. It looks better the other way. I'll insert a picture or something. And then, yeah, I did show. you see here?
Huh?
Yeah.
Made it.
Limestone Falls.
My highlighter. Almost gone.
Our last stop before we head home is Pfeiffer Beach. And it's actually our favorite thing we've done in Big Sur. Actually, is it our favorite or I mean, is it?
It's pretty up there.
It's I think one of my favorites. And I wish we had came here with like knowing how much we'd like it. Personally, I like beaches, so I think that's where my bias comes from. But it's really nice. Last stop, and then we're going